In this video, I'm going to show you how to create some cool, intense glowing effects in Adobe Premiere Pro. I actually stumbled upon this effect kind of by accident. So I was working with my original clip, and the original effect I wanted to show, which you can learn, is to duplicate your original clip on top of itself. I'm holding Option and click and dragging to do that. And then setting this top clip to a blending mode like screen, color dodge, linear dodge, or you can even play around with other ones, and adding a Gaussian blur effect to that. So in the video effects blur and sharpen folder, Gaussian blur, and increasing the blurriness amount. So this is a traditional sort of dreamy glow effect that I've shown before, but where I was taking a slight turn for a new effect is going into the Lumetri color panel and making some more intense glow by adding some contrast. So in the curves, you can darken the dark portion of the curve, increase the highlights, so you get a lot more contrast. And this is where I was sort of going with it. If I set this to normal, you can see what we've done. When you adjust the curves, you basically tighten up the contrast and get a more intense glow. Depends on the video you're working with, but you can see the basic idea. And then I sort of did a misclick and messed up the curve. So I sort of inverted the curve. And by doing this, I came up with this unique glow effect. So we've basically inverted the color. So we're only getting this lighter portion of the image. If I set it to normal, you'll see what it looks like. And since it's blurred anyway, we almost get this, just this abstract portion of the image's colors. And if we set that on color dodge or screen, it's not just like a random glow because it is taking the contours of the image that we blurred. So it gives us this unique glow. And I think this is a pretty neat effect, which is why I wanted to record this video. So play around with the curves. I mean, from here, there's a lot you can do even. Like you can add more adjustment layers on top. If you did enjoy this idea, you can check out hundreds of more free tutorials in the playlist on my channel. Check out my website shop, justinodisho.com/shop for some effects, presets, and more. And subscribe to stay tuned for all my future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.